Birthday, and we made it. It's Logan's birthday, and we made it to the peach farm. Iki, your mama. So we're in the feet park. In the feet park. We're in the feet. I mean the peach farm. So it's ready to have some fun. All right, so we made it to our destination. Check it right now to see how it is. I already got the tickets in my pockets. I already booked this. And we have to go around. Yeah. Okay, so we got the jumping pillow. Oh, what's that? That's how they do that. This place is nice. We gotta go find the truck right now. Later on, we'll grab something to eat.
Oh my God! What's that? Oh, bird!
Here. Oh, there goes the truck over there. We're on a truck now, and we're ready to hit the field of the peaches.
That is so good.
So we're moving right now. This is part of the light show.
It is. They do this tour right on the truck.
Yeah, some geese is in here. Right here we have a lot of, I guess at nighttime, all this will light up. Got SpongeBob right there. I don't see him real well. A lot of crows out here though. I love it. So right here, I guess where they got the peaches and stuff. A lot of dust though. Yeah. Nice. Oh, I guess this is it. Alright, so this field was This right here was for vegetables and wildflowers. No, we didn't want to get that. We trying to get the peaches and the sunflower. But yeah, field, nice. That was a high ball. Sorry if the cameras are shaking, guys, because we're on a tractor right now. They got some sunflowers. Yeah.
Oh, it has a junior.
So I guess we made it to our destination, and we're ready to go get some peaches and sunflowers right now. The other tractor's over there. He left. Yeah, peaches, but they're on the floor. Oh, look. Monkey found one. Oh, nice. Chewing up. Yeah, we gotta go in there. We gotta go to the apple farm too. We went to the pumpkin farm last year. Now we got the peach farm. Nice. It's really hot today, guys. Like really hot. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. That's a good one. That one you just kicked right now. Yeah.
And this one too. Look it.
Nice. Yeah. Baby one. Right there.
It's not broken. It's not broken.
Good baby.
Huh? Grandma, look
I have an empty bucket. Alright, so we found some peaches we're about to grab. It's gonna be difficult for me to grab, so I'm on camera. So we got some. I got some right here too as well. Look at that little baby one. Yeah, Mama got some. Yeah, Mama got a lot.
I got the right one. I know. This one came off with the stain.
Oh, that one looks nice.
What the?
Yeah. Oh, Logan found one, but it's a toy. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to the sunflower place right now to go get some sunflowers right now. Alright, so we're on our destination to get some sunflowers. Hopefully we got some seeds out of them. Alright, so as we was passing with the truck, look at somebody placing faces over here. So walking through the field, this. Somebody put a heart on this one. Alright, so I gotta go through here because they say there's a lot of bees over here, so we try to cut these things down and get these right here. Actually, there are bees in these. You can see there's some bees on them. Yeah, they are. They are bees. Yeah. Now we know where they're at. So, I'm trying to go through here and not irritate the bees. Alright, so we got some sunflowers. Mama got some sunflowers. And we're ready to go to the park over there now. So the church is not came and we're going to the park right now.
Come back.
Playing the band over there.
You want a beer?
The kids came into the little park. Oh, look it. I got some roosters over here. Look at the roosters. Oh wow, it's a lot of them right in here, huh? Alright, so I got us some food. Here. You don't want it? Alright, oh, he's trying to find a way. Here. I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna try to put it in here. Hold on. Right there. I don't know. They don't want to eat it.
Oh, they want a phone. Girl.
Yeah, they don't want to eat. Well, we trying to feed them, but they already knew. They don't want it. Here, look. Guess they want some real vegetables.